Hi everybody, it's Olivia. I'm a student intern here at Gleaners, and today we have a recipe for chicken lemon rice soup for you. So what you'll need are 2 lemons or a half cup of lemon juice, 1 to 2 chicken breasts, a half cup of rice, 4 cups of chicken broth, and a half cup of liquid egg or 2 whole eggs. You'll also need a separate bowl as well as 2 pots. So we're going to start with putting our broth into a pot and bringing it to a boil. After you bring your broth to a boil, you're going to add your rice. And you're also going to turn the heat down to a simmer and let the rice boil for 20 minutes. So while you're waiting for your rice to boil, you can go ahead and put your chicken into the other pot. And remember that you don't have to wash your raw chicken. Washing it risks contamination with the splashes of water. Cooking it will take care of that bacteria just the same. So today we'll be boiling our chicken. You can also use canned chicken or frozen chicken. We are going to shred ours today, but you can also cube it if you prefer. So while we wait for our pots to boil, we're going to juice our lemons. And a good way to get the juices flowing is to give your lemon a nice roll. And then we're going to cut it widthwise in half. Next, we're going to add our eggs into our lemon juice, and if you're using whole eggs, make sure you whisk them before you combine them with your lemon juice. Eggs are a great source of protein and vitamins and minerals. They provide vitamin D, vitamin B, zinc, and iron. So our chicken came to a boil and is now cooked, so we're going to start shredding. I find it easiest to use 2 forks, one to stabilize the chicken and 1 to actually shred it. And chicken is a great source of protein. It's considered a lean meat. It promotes muscle growth, it promotes heart health, and it also contains zinc, which helps prevent the common cold, which is why a lot of doctors suggest eating chicken noodle soup when you're sick. And now that our rice is cooked, we're going to remove it from the heat. So we're going to go ahead and turn this off. And next we're going to add our egg and lemon juice mixture. You want to make sure you add it slowly, about 1 tablespoon at a time, just so you don't end up with a scrambled egg in your soup. And then after the egg, we're going to add our chicken. And if you find you want your soup a little bit thicker, you can always add an extra half cup of rice, or you can put it back on the stove like we did, and it'll thicken up that way as well. So once your soup is to your desired consistency, you can put fresh herbs and lemon zest on it to add some brightness like we did. You can also make this soup in large quantities, adding canned veggies or fresh veggies, and you can refrigerate the soup for up to a week or freeze it for later. And if you made this recipe at home, be sure to comment below and let us know how it turned out. And you can check out other recipes at our website, gcfb.org.